bring it up now. Bring it up now. Bring it up now. Take it down and crisscross. Bring it up now, crisscross. Do whatever you like right here. Just gonna do the two-step and cowboy. Grab a sweetheart and take it to the left now and dip. It don't slow down.
My radio, my friend. That's why people out there. Well, right now. I'm gonna sling on back here and do a little bit of watch work.
That was not so bad.
What's going on there, Watchmaker? Hey, Watchmaker, no money?
That was not so bad. That was not so bad. Wasn't gonna do the two-step and
Right out there, Watchmaker, one time. Watchmaker, no money in Maryland.
take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down. Take a sip with it. Now lean back. Put your head up. Set it.
The one I was watching, I couldn't figure didn't even have cowboy boots on. Shame on a mess. He's got old styrofoam Dunkin' Donuts cup. He must got that gin and juice in.
I hope that fucker don't try to do something like that on them antique 500Zs I'm rocking a mail. XYZ go.
410 on that. Yeah, he don't got on out there. He went took care of the 44s. What's going on out there, XYZ? XYZ, no money in Maryland.
You know, money ain't nothing going on. Leave it to you, XYZ, be quiet.
No strain, no pain, big brother. Hope you had a chance to check out that video from Thursday night, man, when you had that thing down. Ain't no two ways about it. I gotta get on there when you told old 434 to say hoochie coochie. Hey, XYZ, I'll see you.
Yeah, but you leave it nobody in my house.
Oh, man, ain't nothing like a Sunday afternoon and a morning having fun on your CB radio. Ain't no two ways about it. Me and this little bitty Dave made transmitter sitting on back.
7 over, no doubt about it. A370, the Watchmaker cruising, got down.
Hey, Watchmaker, here I come. Hey, Watchmaker, here comes no money in Maryland. Hello to you, Watchmaker, no money in Maryland.
I got you in and out right now, 270, but you sound good, man. 370, Keystone.
Hey, Watchmaker, no money. Watchmaker, no money. Oh, I did to you, Watchmaker, no money in Maryland. All right, well, I'm going to sit back wide to the side and let Gump finish playing his Kevin Pig in Old Town Road. Take care, Watchmaker. Take care, XYZ. I know I got a contact with you. No money in Maryland. Sitting back. No strain, no pain. I know I heard you say you was going to do some watchmaking there, do some work on some watches there, Watchmaker. So I was just trying to make a contact, and I'm gonna get back out the middle of the road. Hey, Watchmaker, I'll see you.
Watchmaker, yeah, I'm gonna do some watch work today. Take care, brother.
Always a pleasure. Sounding grand on this Kevin Pig and Video Gate, no two ways about it. XYZ, I heard you in there as well. You eased up in there with old Watchmaker, but Watchmaker, you still had it on top. Always a pleasure, my friends. Take care. Enjoy your watch work today, and enjoy the rest of the DX day on this weekend. Me and this Dave mate sitting back.
You take care up there, no money.
no money, XYZ go.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take a pause for the calls and call this Come Pickin' Hotel and make a what the hell? Confirm my reservation. I'll catch y'all later. See you. Bye.
Yeah, while you're making your reservation, and you see us by, no doubt about it. Oh, 173 Rabbit, more rabbit out here in the backwoods of Georgia. I'm gonna take my horse down the old town road.
All right, there, 173 to Rabbit. Take care while you're out there around Georgia. Always a pleasure. Waving 73s. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. Enjoy your DX day. I'll see you.
I thought you had to go.
You know I gotta go, XYZ, but you know how hard it is to put this cotton picking mic back in the rack, and, well, in my case, let this cotton picking button down.
Tell XYZ he needs to get back to his Hooked on Phonics DVDs. Sure you're right.
Hold up. Wait. XYZ. This stuff plucker around come picking Fort Payne, Alabama said you need to ease on back to your Hooked on Phonics DVDs. Shame on a come picking mess.
Either that or go in there and turn on his Sesame Street ABCs there, because he sure is missing a whole lot of that. He needs to go in there and turn on the Sesame Street.
I just had to leave him on the mall. I'm going to leave him on the mall that go around, XYZ. He said either that or turn on Sesame Street ABCs. What in the world is this cunt picker talking about? Why is he picking on you?
For the simple fact, no money, he cannot get in your radio. Schoolhouse rock. I'll see you.
410 for the simple fact that he cannot get in my radio. That's what you said when you said it. I'm sitting back.
Copy that on, I can't get in your radio. Shame on the mess, sir. Yeah, he needs phonics. He needs phonics for sure. But put on you later, I'm out.
410. Y'all play nice down there. I'm sitting back.
Good evening, Snatcher. I'm about to do the giddy up.
Tell that come picking Snatcher I got his come picking lips pasted on my wall. Hey, Gump, tell that come picking Snatcher I got his lips slapped on the wall. I'll see you.
410 on that, no money. You don't want to tell Penny Snatcher you got his lips smacked on the wall. You said, right. Hey, Snatcher, I'm on the mail.
Tell me to reach down, grab some more, or get that other antenna up. Bye.
Golly damn, he must be hearing you, Snatcher, because when you keyed down and said something about more or something, he keyed up and said, tell him to reach down and get some more and put that other antenna up. Let me get out of the middle of the road there. Snatcher, no money, I'm on the mail.
I'm just messing up. Panty Snatcher be a good old friend of mine, man. It's been a month of Sunday since I talked to him and seen him. But I heard him back out here on the Come Bigger Radio, so I figured I'd ease up in there and have some fun. Take care. I'm out the way. I'm going 10-6 for sure. I'm taking my headset off. Bye.
Yeah, right. Oh, man, good talking with you there. You got that station sounding 10-8 and straight. Put on you later. No money. I'll see you. Sound like a finger puppet. Shit. And being hurt? Hey, 117, YardBird, got any conditions over there? Hey, 117, YardBird, waving, baby. 410, YardBird out around the hills. Hey, YardBird out around the Smoky Hills. 117, good afternoon time to you. Enjoy your Sunday. 117, YardBird with the wave pulling back.
All right, I'm back, XYZ. I did good that time. I took the headset off and dropped the cutting picking button.
Yeah, bye. Bye, Panty Snatcher. Bye, Panty Snatcher. I know Gump got that big old mall laid down right about now, but hey, Panty Snatcher, YardBird waving, pull it back. Bye. Hey, bye, Panty Snatcher. I'll see you. Bye.
YardBird, tell that panty snatcher, you better get out the way. Tell me better get out of the way, YardBird. YardBird, no money coming in, putting all them panties back. I'll see you.
Hey, no money. You said he better get out of the way. You said that cat picking panty snatcher better get out of the way. You got his lips, a spot for his lips on the wall. Hey, no money. YardBird waving, getting out of the way. Bye.
Yep, I got a freshly painted wall in nice antique white finish, and I got a nice cork board up there, and I got a brand new box of thumbtacks, and I'll be thumbtacking his skin picking lips on there, and it says right on top, Panty Snatcher's lips. Bye.
Good Lord, the corner. I got a big old everything right there on the wall, just wait, no money. I get out of the road, man. Ain't no money. Hey, Panty Snatcher, YardBird waving, pulling back. Have a good day. I'll see you. Bye.
I guess that's how you're supposed to treat your friends, right? Hey, YardBird, I guess I'm treating my friend pretty well, right? All I'm doing is taking his lips and putting them on my wall. He come back and regrow them. He's like a come back chameleon. Some type of iguana or some shit, man. He'll regrow them gun pickers. He'll be all right.
All right, 94, got it all. You got to stick in the road right about now. Hey, 94, I'll see you. Bye.
Tell that 94, he better not make me put a cutting picking section on that wall for his cutting picking lips, man. Tell that 94, get out of my way. I'm sitting back. Oh, Country Preacher? Hey, Country Preacher, no money in Maryland? Hello to you, Country Preacher, no money in Maryland, get down. Appreciate it, Country Preacher. No strain, no pain. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday and enjoy the rest of the weekend. And have a great big old DX day out here, man. Enjoy it. Hey, Country Preacher, no money in Maryland. 73s, I'll say it.
All right, no money. Back to you, man. Take care, God bless. No money. Look at Country Preacher back in the pulpit. No money. Tell that boy I've been there gone. Country Preacher say dip.
Country Preacher's back to the pulpit, everybody. He been there and gone, dip. That's what he said. He's back to the pulpit. Bye.
I want to know what you did before 34. Did you take his radio away? No money back? Good day.
I did not take his radio away. If you go back and listen to watch my videos on YouTube, I only took his antenna, folded it up, bent it up, crinkled it up, and put it in my backpack. And then I used this cotton picking 30K Gamma as a cotton picking toothpick, right?
You didn't take his radio. You just folded that cotton picking
man, I always enjoy it, especially when I got Mother Nature, man, and I ain't got a whole bunch of power down here, man. I got to have fun on my radio when I got a little bit of Mother Nature. Yep. But yeah, I got a button. I got my button in my hand, and all he's got to do is signal, like a bat signal, and I'll take and turn his come picking antenna to where he wants to talk. Or he can just go over and take 434 or 420's ground plane and put back up, because I think he's got 420's ground plane in his pocket there, Break.
You're going to stuff it in his pocket. Stuff it in his pocket. No money. Hey, man, I'm going to get out of here, shut this thing down. I'm going to let it cool down and get out of here for a bit. Good getting in here, cutting it up with you. Like you, like me, ain't got a whole bunch of power, but I get in where I can fit in. Ain't no money. Yardbird waving, getting out of the way. I'll see you.
Ain't no two ways about it, man. Yeah. I tried easing in there last night, but man, I didn't have the best of conditions, and he done took my cotton picking my little antenna. It's only 8 feet long, man, so he can take and wear that as a cotton picking earring. But you know, his cotton picking great big old antenna. I don't even know what the hell he's got, but I know he's a bad man. Hey, Yardbird, take care, man. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'll see you.
Yeah, click. Bye. Tennessee said bye. Hello out there, 54. Hello, 50. 714, CountryPreacher out of Tennessee way. Around Tennessee border, that break.
Is that the Tennessee Border Patrol out there? I want to know if that's the Tennessee Border Patrol out there. I hear break. 410 there, Country Preacher. Yep, I did hear. That's my friend out there, that Tennessee Kentucky Border Patrol.
Ain't no money. He won't let me jump all night. Sit like an eavesdrop, CountryPreacher back in the pulpit.
410 Country Preacher going in. Well, it's after church service already, so I guess you're gonna prepare for next Sunday's service, man. Go and sit back. You said you're gonna sit back and eavesdrop. No two ways about it. What's going on out there? 185, Tennessee Kentucky Border Patrol. I'm sitting back.
Ain't no money, tell my friend Dip. Ain't no money, tell my little Dip. I'm going home to the pulpit. I said, tell CountryPreacher. Ain't no money, tell Wayne. You gotta call me on the down here in Memphis, Tennessee.
410 Country Preacher. You said tell 185 Dip. That's your friend, friendly 5, and a friendly Dip. I'll see you.
To stay down there and don't you come Preacher bone. You know what I'm for, 94 Dip, I'm gone again. 594, he's pulling them on, CountryPreacher gone, Dip. 004. Man, oh man, it's time to tighten this corner. Tennessee's on the side. Virginia, don't wait on him. 5-4 around Virginia, CountryPreacher, Tennessee with a hole in the water, say don't wait on him too long. 5-4 Virginia, CountryPreacher said dip. Go. I gotta watch that CountryPreacher, man. 94, take care, man. Y'all do y'all thing on the East Coast. 94, 5-4, y'all take care. No money? The CountryPreacher go on to the pulpit. I'm gonna be quiet for a while. I'll see y'all. Bye. Sitting in the pulpit east. Dear man, but he can't hear my little old $10 radio down here. So let me get back down the way. Bye. Good morning.
time, 185, Tennessee, Kentucky border. Said have a good day. 185 listening. Bye, bye, bye.
Hello, boss man. Down there in Myrtle Beach, you got a copy on Skipper, Memphis, Tennessee.
Tom 47. Hey, good morning, Tom. There, Johnny, old duck hunter, waving a hand.
All right, boys, I'm back to the radio. Mama was sitting here explaining some things to me, so I'm sitting on back here now, listening to my radio. Where'd you go at 185 Tennessee, Kentucky Border Patrol, Brega?
Hello, Tennessee, you gonna get 85? Nobody don't get that boy dipped again, dip.
Back over here, back at the shack, reading up on the mail there.
Oh, it's chicken bog now.
Uh-oh. You see what happened when I call your name 185? Them boys all want to key on that Tennessee, Kentucky Border Patrol. Old Country Preacher came in there and said, don't get that boy dipped on again. And then I heard Duck Hunter in there. I don't know if he was speaking to me, though. And then I think I heard my friend Old Dirty Bird up in there. Click that thing down once again. No money up here around Maryland, sitting back.
Sit down.
4th, there's a bunch of you keyed up, but Country Preacher's what I pulled out of there. Said, don't get my friend dipped on. I'll see ya.
Ain't nobody. I'm going to this for a while. I want nobody because he said dip this something by.
Bye, Country Preacher. You see you going 10-7, you give them all the green light around Tennessee. Take care, Country Preacher. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'll see you.
Hey, where's he at there? No money,
Dip, bye. Yeah, whoever that was asked me. Country Preacher, he's down there in Tennessee somewhere. And then that old 185, I heard him try to key up in there, man, but he's a little bit in the background, but I don't know if I'm looking at him or not. But he said he's over there around Tennessee and Kentucky on the Kentucky border. That's why I call him the Border Patrol. Don't know money sitting back around Maryland.
Yeah, 410. I knew where 185 was. One wasn't sure about Country Preacher. All right, man. Good time, Manchester. Hey, for a little bit. You don't want a yardbird waving getting out of the way. I'll see. Your dog show, man. You sounded real good. Just want to wave that 4 more.
4th dinner, Yardbird. I thought that was you, but now it did confirm my thoughts. Yep, new ways about it. Yeah, he said, I don't know exactly where, but he said he's at the pulpit in Tennessee. That's what he is. I think he said he's going to go 10-7, give all the boys a green light. I think he's going to go back into the study and prepare next Sunday's service there. Go ahead.
410 on the green light now. It's going to be service. Have yourself a mighty fine day. I'll see you. No money, preacher. Dip. 10-7 gone. Nashville gone.
4th in there, Country Preacher. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, hey, Yardbird, he answered my question before I asked it. He said he's around Nashville there. Go ahead.
Yeah, 410 on the Nashville. All right, man. He got a stick down. There ain't no got to get doubt about it. He got a stick down. No money. I'll see you. Bye. Dip in there, Tennessee, especially 1 or 2. Dip. Bye.
Yes, sir. That old Country Preacher surely does have his skim picket stick down. No two ways about it. Take care, Country Preacher, if you're still going out of there and giving them boys a green light. Me and this little bitty Dave made transmitter rolling this video gate around Maryland, sitting on back.
Bye. No money. I'll see you. you. Click, click.